7, I think.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 7.
I thought she was...
2007. Because I imported Pavon in 2006, and he was barely off the truck when we bred Mama. So she's 5 this year.
Coming 5?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I got to get over to your place. She is lovely. I don't know. I have to see.